Replacing your own wiper blades is a great way to start DIYing and save some money. Begin by placing something over the windshield to protect it while doing this job. I like to use the floor mats. There are as many options when it comes to blades as there are opinions on which oil to use. Our project car had a blade mechanism that could be simply pushed back, green arrow, and off of the arm, red arrow. They also had a release tab on the base of the mechanism to release the blade from the arm and mount and just replace the blade section, red arrow. This image shows a little more detail of how the front of the blade hinges into the mount, red arrow. The prongs on the side sit in slots for them indicated by the blue arrows, and the base sits in the release clip area, green arrow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.